Did you guys know that Apple just got trolled by Samsung in their latest ad? But things to notice, it is not the first time we saw this. Whenever Apple tried to introduce a new feature, it was already done on Android phones. Similar case with the iPhone 14 Pro Max pill hole display, which was already done by Samsung back in 2019 with the Galaxy S10 5G. But did you guys know that the Samsung didn't troll Apple on this thing? Instead, they were make it clear in two different things, innovation and camera resolution. Where we all know Apple is behind innovation in foldable smartphones, and the new camera are still not the high resolution. As rumored, it is going to get a 48 megapixel camera, where S22 Ultra has an insane 108 megapixel camera. But we all know the image processing is what matters the most, and Galaxy S22 Ultra is still struggling. Same goes to iPhone 14 Pro Max 48 megapixel sensor struggling at night. If you are the one who don't like the single pill hole design, then you don't need to worry about it because it was done with the software, and Apple should provide an option either to turn this on or get a two pill hole design. And with these new pill hole design, Apple is also changing the camera app to put the camera functions on top of the screen along with the pill hole display. As this is not the first time Samsung troll Apple for their new design, but every time Apple does something, Samsung follow them. Just like they did with the headphone jack and the charger in the box. The one who want to buy the next iPhone, then Apple is re-looking at the price, and we might see a only $50 jump in prices instead of $100 that was rumored before, and after that iPhone 14 Pro Max will cost around $1149 and base model iPhone 14 will cost around $749. There are some rumors talking about iPhone 14 base model comes with the same A15 Bionic chip and possibly the same cameras. So what will be the point of getting a new iPhone if it was already done on previous generation? Meanwhile, camera lovers should be looking at the iPhone 14 Pro Max, since we all know videography on iPhone always ahead of other competitors, and with this new 48 megapixel camera, it will be a great update over previous generations. You can expect a bigger battery in your iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is because Apple is going to give you a 30 watt of fast charging in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it is also rumored that we might get a bigger battery. The mass-produced iPhones are already hands-on by some of the sources, which claim small changes in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, a slightly performance update and a pill hole display works just fine. Everyone has their eyes on the 7th September event where Apple is going to introduce the new pill hole display. And if you want to know about why Apple make this a single hole display, then you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.